This is our drinking water combi test kit AE103. The kit helps to test specific chemical parameter like pH, total hardness, chloride, free chlorine, dissolved ion, fluoride, nitrate, alkalinity, turbidity and their ranges, which is mentioned in manual. Our testing methods are user friendly and not any technical person required to carry out the test. The methods are traceable to BIS 10500-1991. The kit contained reagents and accessories. The accessories are manual, color charts, 25 ml glass stage jar, 10 ml glass stage jar, 25 ml plastic stage jar, color comparator tube, 2 ml and 5 ml syringe, brush and spoon. The method of analysis are drop titration and color comparison. For example, how to check hardness in water. This is our sample, unknown sample. Now open the manual and read the procedure of total hardness. The range is 10 to 200 ppm as CaCO3. We required TH1S, TH2 and TH5 as per procedure. Procedure is take 25 ml water sample in test jar. Now add 1 spoonful of TH1S. Mix well to dissolve. Then add 10 to 12 drops of TH2. Mix content. If color turn blue, it indicates there is no hardness in water. If color turn red, it indicates there is hardness. Now drop wise add TH5, counting the number of drops while mixing until the color change from red to blue. We got 9 drops for a test. Now calculation. Total hardness as a ppm calcium carbonate is equal to 10 into number of drops of TH5. So our result is 90 ppm. One kit can perform 200 tests of each parameter and it is very easy to use in any field.